In this video, I'll show you how to install Python packages on Mac OS. If you're on Windows, you can apply the exact same logic, just with a few different commands. To start, on modern Mac OS, if you open your terminal and use pip to install any package, you'll likely get an error message. The reason is that Mac OS no longer allows installing Python packages into the global environment. So we absolutely have to create a virtual environment and install our packages inside it. To make it easy to visualize, let's do an example. First, I'll navigate out to my desktop directory. Next, I'll create a new folder for my Python project, let's say Project 2, and cd into it. Now, if you open Finder, you'll see the Project 2 folder is completely empty. This is where your Python code will live. And to install packages, we'll create the virtual environment right inside this folder. Here's how you do it. Run the command python3-m venv.venv. This venv module helps generate a virtual environment. As a standard practice, developers usually name this virtual environment folder .venv. The dot at the beginning makes it a hidden folder, so when you push your code to GitHub, this folder is automatically ignored. Back in Finder, if you don't see the .venv folder yet, just press Shift-Command period to reveal hidden files. Now you can see the .venv folder. Open it up, go into the lib folder, and select your corresponding Python version. All the packages you install from now on will sit right here inside the Site Packages directory. Next, going back to the terminal, we need to activate the virtual environment we just created using the source command, followed by the name of the folder containing the virtual environment. Then append the path bin/activate. Instantly, you'll see the prefix at the beginning of your terminal prompt change to .venv. Seeing this means we've successfully activated the virtual environment. The reason we use this path is because inside the bin folder, there's a file named activate, and the command we just ran simply executes that file to trigger the environment. Now that we're inside the virtual environment, you can freely use pip to install any package for your project. For example, I'll reinstall the langdetect package by running pip install langdetect. Wait a moment for the installation to finish. If we open Finder again and check the Site Packages folder, you'll see the langdetect package sitting comfortably in there. To sum it up, on macOS today, we cannot install Python packages directly to the entire system. Instead, always create a dedicated virtual environment for each project, and then install your packages into it. This keeps your projects running independently without any library conflicts. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.